Hey y'all, it's Quijuandas. Welcome back to my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you're new, please consider subscribing and tap the bell to be notified every time I upload a video. So today's video will be another hair vlog of sorts. I just finished blowing out my hair and she's cute, but I don't feel like giving them Diana Ross, so we gonna tame her a little bit. I noticed that I have not done a flat twist set on my channel in quite some time, really in general, because I don't really be styling my hair like that in real life. It's either in a slick back bun or a U-part wig. That's just the way I roll. But today we're gonna be doing a flat twist style, and I also noticed that I don't own a lot of styling products, so I'm gonna challenge myself to do a one product flat twist style using only mousse. The mousse that I've been loving lately has been this Camille Rose spiked honey mousse. I use this as the last step when I'm doing braid outs and twist outs, and I like the hold it gives my hair. It's a nice soft hold and it doesn't make my hair feel dry or crunchy, so I really like her. Now this does say to apply it to freshly washed and conditioned strands, and technically my hair is freshly washed and conditioned, but it's clearly blown out. But hopefully the product still performs. It says that this is a 4-in-1 styler, but doesn't really list the 4 ways, so let's go to Google, shall we? All right, it says this can be used on wash and goes, braid outs, twist outs, rod sets, and many more protective styles. So there are 4 ways, and it also says this hairstyling mousse is crafted with hydrating honey and soothing nettle root, ideal for all hair textures. The honey helps soften, smooth, and hydrate strands, while nettle root enhances shine and improves overall hair health. It provides intense conditioning, texture definition, effortless styling, and everyday refreshing. So there go the claims. Now we're gonna get into this flat twist out and hope for the best.
Love you, Lord, I will always love you.
Why Hunter Music?
Forever and ever. It's true.
Yeah, yeah. It's true. It's true. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's true, it's true. It's true. Yeah, yeah, it's true. It's true, it's true, it's true. I ain't gotta worry, and I ain't gotta stress. I ain't gotta run no more, cause Lord, you give me rest. Used to search all over, I could never find a love like this. And you're so divine. See your love covers in spite of me. Lord, you even died for the life of me. Yeah, yeah, it's true. It's true. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's true, it's true. It's true. Yeah, yeah, it's true. It's true, it's true, it's true. I was deep down in my sin alone. Didn't know where to look or where to go. Your love came down, brought me out and showed me a new way. Now my whole life changed. See your love covers, your love covers all. Lord, you even died for the life of me. It's true, yeah. It's true. It's true. It is so true. Yeah. Wow, it's so true. Yes, it's so true. Your love is so true. I don't deserve the way you love me. You gave your life on Calvary. The price you paid to set me free. I don't deserve the way you love me. See your love covers in spite of everything. Lord, you even died for the life of me. Hey, it's true. You're so true. Everything's true. You're so true. You're so true. You're so true. You're true. It's true. Yeah, you're true. Love me the way that you can love me. The way that you can love me like you do. Love me like you do. Love me like you do. You make all things new. Love me the way that you can love me. The way that you can love me like you do. Love me like you do. Love me like you do. You make all things new. will do anything to take this from you. But I gotta give credit where credit is due. Lord, you are the reason that I breathe. So all my days I'll give you the glory. 'Cause you are the God who parts the seas and walks on water. Oh, the God of miracles, signs and wonders. The only thing that's kept me from going under was you, was you. I wish you know my lucky stars. It's not the universe that brought me this far. I didn't manifest this. It's because your favor that I'm blessed with. People will do anything to take this from you. But I gotta give credit where credit is due. Late nights was doing 90 of Patron and Hennessy.
Hey y'all, so next day I'm all oiled and glossed up, ready to go. Got places to go and people to see, so hopefully this hair is giving something. It should be completely dry by now, and I did sleep real good, so hopefully she's not smushed. But to take these twists down, I'm going to use this Mio Organics mint almond oil so I don't create too much frizz. So yeah, let's get started.
So because of you, and I made it through, yeah, yeah. 'Cause you are the God who parts the seas and walks on water. Oh, the God of miracles, signs and wonders. The only thing that's kept me from going under was you, was you. I wish you know my lucky stars. It's not the universe that brought me this far. I didn't manifest this. It's because your favor that I'm blessed with. Yeah, people will do anything to take this from you. But I gotta give credit where credit is due.
So these are my results, and I must admit I'm a little taken aback that this was achieved using the mousse only, because I don't get these types of results when I use 2, 3, 4 products. So definitely impressed. Come through Camille Rose Spiked Honey Mousse. She is soft to the touch, don't feel dry, and the frizz is freezing, but the frizz gonna freeze anyway. So she looks good. She looks real good. Again, I am very, very impressed. I like how defined my hair is at the roots and how the hair just naturally laid where it was supposed to lay. I haven't fluffed it. Y'all saw I didn't even fluff it. So, you know, I'm definitely want to implement more flat twist styles going forward. Now, I'm not going to go overboard, but we gonna put her in a rotation just a teeny bit. So yeah, I'm about to go slay today. I hope y'all enjoyed this one product mousse only flat twist out tutorial and that it was helpful. Let me know if you've tried the Camille Rose Spiked Honey Mousse and how you feel about it below in the comments. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with all your people. And until next time, I'll talk to y'all later.
Late nights was doing 90 of Patron and Hennessy. Somehow you took your grace and then extended it to me. You went and took this broken girl and made a masterpiece. Yeah, that's me. That's me. So because of you.